What's up, everybody? Got a call to do a hose on a navigator. Just got to the job site. Finna go see this navigator real quick and see which hose it busted. Got my gloves on. Got my mat that I'm gonna lay on. Looking for my crescent wrench and some pliers. That's all I need to get the job done. Now let's see what's going on. They made a fucking mess. Alright, let's see. Let's see what we're looking at. So I found the hose. It goes to the tilt cylinder. Just gonna cut off the zip ties and then take the hose off. Alright, we got the hose off. Now let's see if I have the hose. Hopefully I do in the truck. Came prepared.
I ain't joking, do it sound like I'm
Yeah. So I thought I didn't have the hose, the right hose, but I do. It fits perfectly. Yes. So that's it. Just one hydraulic line. Did not need to add any hydraulic fluid. We're still at a good level. The only tools I used were crescent wrench and pliers. And that's it. Job done. On to the next.
When the choppers start spinning, the nigga ain't gon' get spit. There's a woman in the